What is going on? Yo, fellas, this is for us. This is for you. All right. I need you to tune in. I contacted a company called Black Wolf. Black Wolf specializes in men's skincare products, and they have everything from body scrubs, face masks, moisturizer, face wash, eye gel. They got it all, everything that guys need in order for us to stay clean and keep it together and be on top of our grooming and our overall presentation. Love the company. I love the the black and white sort of theme that they go with. It's very, very masculine, very chill kind of tone, blacked out, kind of got that nice stealthy tactical kind of vibe to it. I end up contacting them and they agreed to send me a little pack, a little snippet of some of the stuff that they have. Let's get into it. So upon opening, you're met with your package on the inside. Got Black Wolf, welcome to the pack. Got your black bag here. Here you have an ingredients glossary explaining everything that they put into their products, explaining each and every one of their products and all the ingredients that goes into it. And there's that social media information here as well. Presentation so far, I really like it. Everything else, they got that black and white design. Is just so cool, so stealthy and tactical looking. Got the Black Wolf here. And on the back, they have some instruction information on how to use their products and how to be consistent with using their products, as well as some social media information there, as well as the website. So upon opening, you are met with a face wash and you are met with a moisturizer. The face wash, to my surprise, actually comes out black. Now, I've used this before. It's a very nice smelling, very rich, very smooth sort of soap. Has a really nice scent to it, lathers really well, and it doesn't leave the skin completely dry. It actually has a little bit of a moisturizing property to it. I've actually used this already, and I love it. I love the way that this feels. And then you follow up with your moisturizer. That just pops up, and you will press this down. It's a pump style bottle. Just give that a couple of pumps, and then you will rub that together. And this moisturizer is actually really good for the face. Has a nice, fresh, clean smell. It's hydrating, but it's also at the same time is able to give a little bit of moisture to whatever area you apply it to without it being too oily. There's zero buildup. This is excellent. I'll be using these products over the next couple of weeks, and then I'll come back with a full review on how these actually worked out. Now, I've actually used this today, and it looks pretty good. I feel pretty good about how it works out. I'm actually going to put just a little bit more moisturizer on while we're actually sitting here. So I would take a little bit of this, and I'll probably just do 2 of those, and I would just rub that in as normal. And it's able to go on my skin. It's not too thick. It doesn't leave much buildup. Not too oily. Gives my skin a little bit of a shine, but not too much. And it feels great. It feels really light. It has a nice smell to it. Doesn't smell like it's too overly done with chemicals or anything harsh like that. And I like it. Like I said, I'm going to be wearing both of these products, or utilizing both of these products over the next couple of weeks, and I can come back and give a full review of my experience with them. But so far, thank you guys over at Black Wolf Nation. I appreciate you guys trusting me with the products and sending these out to me for me to review. Sometimes when it comes to like body wash and skincare products, when it comes to skincare, it's like it leans more so towards like the ladies. So it's good to see something that's more so tailored and aimed and focused and marketed towards men. With this brand, it is made by men for men. So it feels something like, it feels exclusive, and it's good to have something like that for the fellas. Listen, you guys, that is it for this video. I will drop the link in the description where you guys can check out this company for yourself. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.